Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for BeReal account on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for a BeReal account, first make sure that you've downloaded the application from your mobile devices, from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you have the app, give it a tap to open. Now, from the main homepage of BeReal, tap on the Continue button at the bottom and tap on the Get Started button. In order to sign up, you'll need to type in your name. Start off by typing in your full name and tap on the Continue button. Enter your date of birth information, enter your date, month, and year. Finally, tap Continue. Now, you'll need to select your country code from the top left, and once you select your country, type in your phone number in the text box and tap Continue. Wait for a security code that will be arrived on your mobile number via SMS. Now, once you receive the code, type it in or paste it in the text box. Soon after you do that, your phone number will be verified. On the next page, you'll now need to create a username for yourself. Simply type in the username that you'd like to create. Make sure that your username is unique. That means two people cannot have the same username. So once you type in the username that is unique, tap on the Continue button. Allow access for BeReal to your contacts by tapping OK, and your contacts will be synced from your mobile device. If you'd like to invite some of your friends to BeReal, go ahead and tap on the Invite button right next to the contact and tap on the Continue button. Enable the notifications on the BeReal app by tapping Allow, or if you don't want to do that, tap on Don't Allow. Now, you need to allow camera access for BeReal by tapping OK. And now once you end up in this camera screen, you can take your first BeReal, which will be only visible to your friends. That is how you'll be able to create or sign up for a new account on BeReal. BeReal is a photo sharing application that allows users to post one photo per day to show their followers what they are doing in real time. Just like its name, the application also focuses on authenticity and asks its users to be real. That is how you can easily sign up for BeReal account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.